everybody, it's me, Erica, and I have a box of more Sleep Elves from 52 Toys to unbox with you. These are the, I think, oldest iteration of these, but I think they're the most beautiful, and I didn't have them in my collection, and I couldn't get the new collection for this year until I opened this one. I don't make the rules. Anyway, I thought it would be fun to unbox this with you, and let's get started as we unbox these pretty ladies. I do apologize for the glare, but look at how pretty our little elves are. They're all laying down in this case rather than being in another position. They usually have kind of one, this box is dirty, it's not its fault. But as you can see, it is factory sealed. And so we do have the chance to get the rares. I do not ever think I will get one, but I just never think I'll get one. We can say never. Anyway, I will speed unwrap this for you and get us going. Okay, so here's our first little sleep elf. This one looks like it's a fawn. It has little hooves instead of feet, and a beautiful clear plastic butterfly on its hat, or its horns, I guess. And it has this beautiful, like, body paint going on that's very semi-Celtic and a little bit like the clouds from Chinese mythology. That's what it reminds me of. All right, let's do another. All right, here's our little bear elf, and he has paws instead of hooves. So there's two different mold items already, and a little bee on his back, and he's got his favorite stick. The paint is gorgeous, and this is another bottom mold. So each of these items has to be, oh, he's got little beans. Okay, that's pretty good. But each of those little items has to be molded individually and changed for every single one. So this is a part, this is a part, this is a part, this is a part. All of those are assembled at some point in the process. So, all right, let's go for another. This is one extensive little lady. What a cutie. Okay, let's get her wings out here. I'm going to tilt this just a little so I don't have to reach quite as far to see. Look how big these wings are. So pretty. Now, you'll see that these are keyed, so they will only usually fit in the wing they're supposed to go in. See, like he won't fit in there, so I'm guessing that this is his hole. Sorry, I'm trying to look as I do it through the camera. Oh man, it always scares me how hard you have to push those things. Let's see if I've got that wrong. Here's the other wing. Ah! Sorry, lady. Okay, let's see what we've got going on here. It looks like they should be like this. Do I have the key turned the wrong way? You go in here, maybe? Yes. Yeah, it'll always usually go in more smoothly to the one it's meant to be home with. On all these kits from Japan. Oh, look how cute she is. Little butterfly girl with real feet. I love it. She's so cute. Okay, sorry for that slight delay. I had to go get a fan. We are suffering from the same intense heat wave that the rest of the United States is. So it is hot. All right, let's do another of our little sleep forest fairy elves. I love the butterfly. That one is especially cute. I always like it when they do a really special mold. Okay, and those wings are definitely a lot of extra work. Okay, we have a green one this time. And I will speed up the rest of the unboxing. Look how pretty this one is with its little water droplets. So many complex leaves. All of them are different casts because they're curved. Oh, this one's so sweet. That one's definitely a keeper. Love the water droplets as like the accent, as a little clear item like the wings or the bee or the butterfly on the first one. Oh my goodness, this little lady's heavy. These tails are solid. It looks like it's all cast in one big piece as a tail. I will not be flashing you with her bum bum. And she has cute little fox ears. Very, very cute. It's like a... it doesn't have 9 tails. It has 6. Well, it's multiples of 3 that are sacred. All right, let's do one of the last 3. I'm pretty sure I bought just this one for one of my dear friends, Sarah. Ugh, look at the little squirrel friend and the droplets of water. And he's got little mushroom shorts on. He's so cute. And his little green mushroom. I love this one. Sorry about my cat yelling. He's angry that he's locked out of the office. It's not his time. All right, let's do the last 2. She's wearing little glasses. Look, they flash in the light. Oh, I think she's supposed to be like a little forest bird, a little blue bird. But the fact that she has glasses, I die. And her mouth is the same as everybody else. Yes, everybody has the little ooh mouth because they're sleeping. Oh my gosh, she's pretty. I didn't think I would like her, but she's like a little grandma bird. I love her. All right, last one in the set. Okay, let's assemble this little lady. Hopefully, oh no, she broke. I think something, oh yeah, she did break. Look, they put her in loose and our little flower girl broke. I'll have to do some epoxy for her. But this is where this one goes on. It looks like it was on before they packaged her, but it was broken. Okay, and then here is her hat, which I think would stick onto, yep, this one has a key here and here. So that's a bummer that she was broken, but it would hold like this and be shading her. So cute. I love her. All right, let's take a final look and decide which one is our favorite. Obviously not the broken one. Okay, and here's all our little friends, including the broken one, who I will fix. But I just, this is probably midway in my favorites. There's more that I like in this one than the tarot card series. Will I keep all of these? More than likely not, especially probably not the broken one. Anyway, I do dearly love these 52 Toys Sleep Elves. The ocean one is the only one that I've ever kept every single one from the entire kit because they're too beautiful. But these are absolutely precious, and I really enjoyed unboxing this with you today. And I will give a shout out to patron Q, who is my faithful moderator as well. So thank you so much for being a patron and continuing to support my art. If you'd like to see more unboxings, check out one of my other videos. And if you're interested, please subscribe or come join me on Patreon, where I'll teach you how to sew and stuff. We do all kinds of fun stuff over there. Thank you for coming and visiting with the Sleep Elves, and we will see you in the next one.